Hey everybody, Stephen Holt here with the Mister Sauga real estate team at Better Homes and Gardens, and today we're going to talk about the 8 home renovations that gives you the biggest return. Number 1, kitchens. We've all heard it already, but kitchens give you the biggest ROI. Now here's why. This is one of the major items and spaces that home buyers would like to see renovated. A lot of times buyers don't want to spend the extra cash, time, energy to do the renovations themselves. So that's why they're willing to pay a premium to get something that's already renovated. Number 2, bathrooms. You've probably guessed it already, but bathrooms is similar to the kitchen, where it's one of the main rooms that people need to use on a daily basis that they want to be renovated. They don't want to go through the hassle of all the construction and everything to get the renovation done. This move-in factor is significant to a lot of buyers, especially during markets like this when the market's already hot. Buyers have a limited budget and they want to spend it on a house that's already done. Number 3, a fresh coat of paint does wonders. Yes, we know kitchens is a big ROI, but painting your house is actually bigger ROI because of the low investment cost. People want to see your house, but they don't want to see your home. They want to envision themselves living in this home. So having neutral colors, even stagers recommend painting neutral colors, definitely makes your house feel more modern, fresh approach, and they are able to envision themselves in your space. Number 4, flooring. New flooring is popular amongst home buyers. Flooring instantly makes your place look modern and updated. Buyers prefer hardwood floors over tiles, and they would prefer hardwood floors over wall-to-wall carpets. A lot of dust, allergies, and other reasons why home buyers don't want to have carpet in the homes. Now you may have a rug or maybe carpet in the upstairs because it is more cozy for the bedrooms. But overall, home buyers want to see hardwood floors because hardwood floors almost instantly translate to, oh, it's renovated. And that's the whole goal. Sometimes if you're in an older home, there is already strip hardwood laid down beneath the carpet. And that might be a simple fix. If you want to just remove the carpet and refinish the floors, it'll save you a lot of money and still have the same effect. Number 5, finished basement. Now, as we're working from home a lot more, maybe homeschooling, and potentially you just want a little bit more living space, a finished basement instantly gives your home an extra couple hundred square feet where buyers can envision their families spending and using that space. Because a lower level family room, home office, or even an extra bedroom can instantly open up to a lot more buyers. And that is also the whole goal. Number 6, landscaping. We've talked a lot about inside the home, but we haven't really talked about the outside. And landscaping does a huge thing for buyers as they pull up to the house for the first time. That first impression, that curb appeal is very important because buyers will get that feeling, even in photos, because that's probably one of the first photos on a listing is the outside. You want to make sure it's appealing and attractive to buyers when they first have that first impression. Now, as a result of the pandemic, there's a huge demand for outdoor space, whether it's for their family members or whether it's for their furry family members, or even if it's for a pool or just some outdoor space where they can feel like they're not trapped inside their house all the time. What I've noticed is that a lot of buyers are very interested in having hot tubs or pools or even a fire pit, even gazebos, just some outdoor space where they can gather or even just spend some time alone outside to get away from everyone else. Number 7, roof and windows. Now these are some of the things that aren't so sexy, but these are some of the questions that we often get from buyers is, how old is the roof? How old are the windows? Because these are some major upgrades and renovations that needs to be done, whether it's for looks or whether it's more for practicality and maintenance. Because having a newer roof or newer windows means that the buyers won't have to spend that initial investment right away. They can plan for the lifetime where it's normally 15 to 20 years. So if your roof or windows are getting close to that age limit, buyers are starting to consider, hey, I got to save a little bit more so that I can do these upgrades because I need to do them. And as a result, they will hold back a little bit more when it comes time to offering on the house. Number 8, open concept floor plans. Now, as we're working with buyers, there's a lot of things that people are looking for, but there's 3 main things that they can't really change, which is location, layout, and size. So if people are looking for a certain kind of layout, we need to open up the doors and open up the floor plan so that we can reach as many buyers as possible. Because buyers are looking for open concept floor plans, they would want to have a house that has that already, because that's a major renovation that they need to save up for to make that house their own. So if we can take that out of their minds and give them the house that they're kind of looking for, we can get a bigger return on your investment. Are there any other items that you can think of that would give your house a better return on investment? Let us know in the comments below. If you have any questions, we're here to help. And until then, we'll see you next week.